we told you that Sai Pallavi, with her expressive eyes, effortless acting, and raw charm, had stepped into some of Indian cinema's most iconic roles. In today's video, we reimagine classic characters through the lens of Sai Pallavi's unique artistry. Let's dive into this dream world of alternate casting. First up, Geet from Jab We Met. Originally played by Kareena Kapoor, this bubbly, unstoppable force of nature became an instant cultural icon. Now, imagine Sai Pallavi as Geet. Her natural liveliness and energetic screen presence would have brought a grounded, earthy freshness to the role. Instead of glam, it would be all heart, the same unstoppable Geet, but with Sai Pallavi's signature simplicity. Now picture this, Sai Pallavi in Manju Varyar's revenge-driven role from Kannajuthi Pottam Thottu. It's intense, emotional, and demands a balance of vulnerability and strength. Sai Pallavi has already shown glimpses of this range in Gargi and Virata Parvam. With her fierce eyes and subtle expressions, she could have taken this role and delivered a chilling, unforgettable performance. How about Parvati from Ennu Ninte Moideen? A tale of undying love and sacrifice, Parvati is a role built on silence and longing. Sai Pallavi's quiet intensity would shine here. She wouldn't need many lines to speak volumes. Her expressions would carry the weight of every unspoken word, making the tragic love story even more poetic. Now think of Sita from RRR played with elegance by Alia Bhatt. But Sai Pallavi's version would feel more earthy, more rooted. Picture her standing strong with just her presence, no flashy costume needed. She doesn't need dramatic monologues to express pain, just one glance from her could silence a war. Priyanka Chopra won hearts with her portrayal of Jilmil in Barfi, but just imagine Sai Pallavi bringing her sensitivity and quiet strength to a character with autism. She's already proven her range in roles like Gargi and Love Story. And finally, what if Sai Pallavi played Shashi from English Winglish? A housewife discovering her identity in a new country. Sridevi brought a delicate grace to this role, and Sai Pallavi could have brought an equally powerful performance, vulnerable yet determined, quiet but resilient. Her naturalistic acting style would have made Shashi's transformation even more relatable to today's younger audience. Sai Pallavi doesn't just act, she lives her characters. So, which role do you think Sai Pallavi would have absolutely nailed? Or did we miss one that's been living rent-free in your imagination? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reimaginings, deep dives, and cinematic mashups.